From the outer edge of space they fly, a grinder made of steel and sky. Their beings extinct, they rage and cry, earthbound for coffee, do or die. Landed in our city dark, a noisy beast, it leaves its mark. Grinding pulses in the night, for a sip they'd start a fight. Coffeelinisum in the air, aliens search our planet bare. For a cup they tear and snare, human heart in caffeine snare. Machines and beams collide in light, electric current shake the night. Desperation fuels their